It's always exciting when trying out new recipes, and this is one of the recipes I enjoyed the most. I used some banana and some pawpaw for this ice cream recipe. Welcome back once again to my channel. I am Ifia, and I'm sharing with you this amazing fruit popsicle you can make right in the comfort of your home. For this recipe, you need some pawpaw, some banana, some milk, powdered milk, and then condensed milk, which is optional, and then finally some water. I'm going to list the exact ingredients in the description section, so be sure to check it out. So I'm going to try and get my fruits out of the peel and the skin nicely and transfer them into my blender. When everything is nicely done, I'm going to add a little bit of milk to help with the blending process. I am going to try and blend this into a very smooth texture. Yes, we are making ice cream, so we do not want any lumps in our ice cream, and you are free to use any milk of your choice, but in this recipe I am using some oat milk. Our banana and pawpaw with our milk has been nicely blended, so I'm going to transfer this into a separate clean bowl, just as you see me demonstrating in the video. To my blended ingredients, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, and our choice of powdered milk today is the Peak brand. I will give it a nice stir until everything comes together beautifully, just as you see me doing in the video. I will then add some water and stir to lighten our ice cream up a little bit. I am satisfied with the thickness. I'm going to transfer it into our funnel cup and then pour it into the ice cream cups. If you have watched me till this far, I want to say thank you so very much for the love and support. I do appreciate it and I don't take it for granted. Kindly remember to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share. And follow me on Facebook as well at Ifia's Kitchen. To the remaining half, I added some condensed milk just to make it slightly sweeter for the kids to enjoy. I will mix it so that everything comes together beautifully, transfer it into my funnel cup and then into my ice cream cups, just like you can see me doing. We are all set, so I'm going to add the ice cream sticks and then into the freezer. It goes for a maximum of 8 hours, or you can leave it overnight. And here we are. Our ice cream is ready. So simple and so delicious. Thank you so very much for your time with us. Time is precious, so if you are able to watch this video till the end, I say God richly bless you and may your week be lovely and fruitful. Till I come your way again in the next video, keep safe and don't forget to keep your little light shining. Bye.
Ifia's Kitchen. Daredel.
So tasty!